Here's the iliotibial band. This and this on both sides is vastus lateralis. You guys got that? So you should be able to see vastus lateralis on both sides. What I'm going to do now is basically look at that, because that's actual size, and cut it to fit right in here. So one of them, see that little notch is for the tensor fascia. This is like that, and then it comes down to a taper. And I'm just basically copying that. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, basically I'm doing that because that's actual size. I'm going to go longer than I need here. And this is so paper thin, it's going to blend really, really nicely. Now I'm going to look up and see what size I need to do this. Okay, now, do you see what I'm doing? I'm sizing it, but see how thin that is? That's the iliotibial band. I obviously need to cut this even smaller. Okay, let me see. That's about it. I love to have like little theme music. Boy, it's really paper thin. That looks pretty good. What's really nice about Sculpey is that it'll blend with the other Sculpey really nicely. Yeah, so that's an iliotibial band. It almost acts like a tendon, but it's not a tendon. But it's paper thin, and it's attached to the iliotibial band is attached to the ilium and the tibia. The difference, though, is with artistic anatomy, we don't take it all the way to the ilium. We just take it to the great trochanter. We could surround the great trochanter. We could blend it into the great trochanter, however you want to do it. On a cadaver, you would actually see it blend in with this muscle and cover most of it. But artistically, for us, since we're learning, you might want to just leave it like that, seeing they both blend in together. That's the iliotibial band. Any of the other tendons, like for instance, you know that you have to do the peroneal tendons. You already have all these like little pieces of clay. This is the peroneus longus tendon. I'll rotate this around so you can see that, G. See that? It goes behind the ankle, and then you're stepping on it underneath your foot. That would be a tendon. Is Mike all around? You see that, Mr. Mike? Now, make it less wiggly. Remember the burnt bacon thing? The kind of like sizzling bacon? You don't want that. So I'm going to smooth it out. Okay, the music's picking up, so I have to move faster. See, the whole thing is like, it's kind of like a movie. There it goes. It's like one of those silent films, except I'm going to keep talking. There it is. Do you see how that works? And what's really nice about that is that it blends in so beautifully. There it is. Voila. You like that? How do you like them apples? The iliotibial band is in. It's flush, very flat, because you can't feel it. But I can if I put weight on my leg. All of a sudden I can feel band like this. I can feel it, and you can see it on the model. It's really neat. You can definitely see it down here, though, at the bottom part of the model. There. That's it. That's the iliotibial band. You can like see.
Yeah, and
you see it? That's from Michelangelo. And all the muscles that we studied today. You like that? What's really nice is this, Gloria, when you can actually see the peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Do you see the soleus and gastrocnemius? And my chewed fingernails. See that? Look at the soleus and gastrocnemius from that point of view. And then look at it over here. Soleus gastrocnemius. How do you like them apples?